Yo, what's going on, YouTube? What's happening, man? Back in action, back in action. Finally got my truck back. I know I've been off for a couple weeks, but I was getting some stuff done to it, some stuff fixed, honestly. And got some new stuff, too. About to hop into this truck and show you what I'm talking about. Stay tuned.
I just might be in your hood.
Fuck out of here, man. You dumbass niggas. You niggas is silly out here trying to look cute and shit, man.
I just might be in your hood.
Niggas wanna come and talk to me about all this stuff.
Alright, my folks. First couple things I do, I had to get 8 new drive tires. Well, I didn't have to. I got them 8 new drive tires on here. I ended up putting this on myself. Got the 3-in-1. I actually prefer these instead, as opposed to the coils. But the coils are easy to replace. But remember how my hood was wrecked? Now look at it. Look at it now. I got it painted. Yeah, I got it all painted. You ain't gotta worry about it no more. I ain't gotta worry about it no more. Look at that. Shout out to RPM for Customs in Fort Worth, Texas. They got me all the way right, man. Mine came out of my own pocket because I never did get a call back about who hit my truck. But I got something else for that. Here it is, folks. Thinkware dash cam. Hardwire kit. You know what hardwire mean, right? Wi-Fi hotspot, 32 gig SIM card included, parking mode enabled. So, let me tell you about this bad boy. This is gonna be able to record whether if the truck got power on or not while it's in parked. It's the Q800 Pro. It's the big boy now. It's the big boy. So, I end up getting this. Yeah, I know why I got this. Something I should have been had. Just way too many situations for my taste. And I'm just about tired of being the wheel on the road too. Some of these things, 4-wheelers and even other semi-trucks do. So, I didn't break the seal yet. I'm getting ready to install this bad boy. Alright, y'all, look how I got them set up. Just like this. Camera. Got Wi-Fi, GPS, recording, voice, all that fancy whatnot. And I got it specifically these little hangers to go all the way around my windshield. It came on with 3, so I had to make that work. And then I was able to put it into the dash, or the little glove box right here. And then let it come out down here and plug in. And whoop, there it is. So let's see if somebody gonna hit me again. I'm ready. I'm ready. But now I gotta get to these door speakers. Alright, y'all, yeah, this is what I got going on. I got some speakers I done bought and I changed. For y'all don't wanna y'all don't wanna change y'all speakers in y'all truck that got a T680. The rear speakers were 6.5s and the front doors was 4x6s. So, you know me, I love JBL. I got JBL almost everything as far as speakers is concerned. You know, got the little tweeters with the little press button for the tweeters. So I'm gonna install these bad boys too. But I just realized I ain't got my screwdriver in the truck. I think I left it at home, so I gotta wait. But man, I'm gonna put these jokers in. When I get that in, I got my head unit I'm gonna put in, my Pioneer. I might get some music in here. I don't know yet. Yeah, so other than that, yeah, man, I'm just doing stuff. I've been kind of quiet. To extend more on this, like I went to the body shop. Well, first I went to Kenworth. I never had to go to Kenworth for deaf or mechanical issues. Like I said, I got a personal mechanic that handles that, handles that for me. As far as the deaf, I had no issues, but there were some software updates that my truck needed, which is why I took it there and got that done. That was actually free. The updates for the software for PACCAR is free. Well, at least the ones I got. I don't know about everybody, but I'm assuming they're free because mine was free. So I had to do that first, and then I had to take it to the body shop, and it would have been an insurance claim had I known who hit my truck at the yard, but never got a call back on that stuff. So I kind of feel like it's kind of crazy, happen at your own yard, something like that, and you got cameras but still don't know who did it. or wherever the case is. So if you're the one that's watching this video, y'all got lucky, because I heard it was team drivers that did it in the black Freightliner Century. So other than that, you see the hardware. I got that up there now, just in case that ever happens here again. It is recording, and I am going to get mines, because I had to pay out of pocket to fix my own hood, and it sucks. It super sucks. I'm trying to sound friendly as possible on this video, but it super sucks that I had to pay out of pocket for this, and it wasn't my fault. I parked legitimately in the parking spot like everybody else does at the yard, and I'm pretty sure if it's any one of y'all trucks, whether it's this yard or any other yard, anywhere in the country y'all park at, and somebody hits your truck, and you have to come to find out that you had to pay out of your own pocket to get it fixed, pretty sure you wouldn't be that happy either. So I got it done. It took a few days, and then I'm trying to do some other stuff, like I'm trying to get a custom chrome bumper and like some other little accessories for the truck. What I'm hearing from a couple places is that a lot of stuff is on back order right now, as far as 14 weeks, as far as I'm hearing. So anybody getting an accident or need a new bumper or something like that, if you can't find it online, or if you do find it online, just get it. Because if you try to get like a chrome bumper or try to get a specific style bumper or anything, you might have to wait on that. I was looking at going to the Chrome Shop Mafia or Four State Truckers in Joplin. If anybody else got a custom truck with chrome on it, or especially like a T6A like I got, and you got something like that on yours, please comment below. Let me know where you got yours from. I'm looking for a couple different options to check out besides them. Other than that, yeah, I got that done, got it back. We all good to go. Got the new tires. And also, I didn't think y'all noticed, but the first video I did a few videos ago when I was recording while driving through the windshield, where I had it on my mount, my windshield was cracked. I actually got me a new windshield replaced. So if you do come over here, and when you doing the process paperwork and all that stuff, and you come up to something that says Gallagher on it, make sure you add that on there, because what they do is when you add that to your insurance, if you happen to get a cracked windshield or something like that, they'll replace your windshield once for free each year. And that's what that was. That was a free windshield replacement. If I had to pay for it out of pocket through Safelite Auto Glass, it was $710.62. I know that exactly, because I had to pay it out of pocket at first and get it reimbursed, because Safelite claimed they couldn't see my claim through Gallagher, and it was there. So I told Gallagher, they had no problem mailing me a check right back to me, put it right back in my account, all good. But the windshield itself is $499. The reason why I got the $700 is the installation and taxes and fees and all that nonsense. So yeah, it's steep. It's really steep. I'm pretty sure, as I heard, you can get it, probably get windshields cheaper elsewhere. But I think with especially stuff with semi trucks, I don't care if it's a car, semi truck, house, whatever. I just think finding parts and stuff, depending on inventory, because everything comes from overseas, and I think they still got that issue with the COVID and all that. It's kind of hard to get stuff, and I think they're kind of inflating up the prices on a lot of things to maintain inventory, or try to get every dollar they can get out of it, or whatever the case is. It's definitely crazy. So it's kind of like the worst time to even be buying anything, honestly, unless you're not going to be upside down on it. But I mean, if you need it, get it, got it. If you see it out there, snatch it. You never know. You just never know. If y'all hearing that dinging, that's my fuel. I guess it's low or something. But I'm not worried about that. I got that covered. But other than that, y'all, appreciate y'all watching this video. Until next time, I'm going to come back in, because I think I got to get me a 3-axle alignment next, since I got all new tires on here now. What's that over there? I'm playing. All right, peace.